This video is sponsored by NordVPN. Hi everyone, welcome to my drive and fail for March. We're going to start this episode with a supposed merge and turn situation where someone sees the roof box and tries to push. It's the car to the left hand side. It's virtually right next to me. In situations like these, if you're ever in doubt, submit and hold back. And this was close to being exactly one of those situations. Never be so stubborn that it ends up in a collision. If you're not sure what I mean by merge and turn, have a look at some of my other videos. As with many schools, this one suffers with some poor parking at school times. However, you do what you can to make things safe. I leave this junction clear to make certain that people can get in and out. We've got the school crossing patrol also trying to help people across the road. And if we watch closely, it was obvious they wanted to use the road again. So I help out. Look how obvious I made it, without flashing or beckoning. And they were really appreciative. This is a classic case of the more vulnerable taking a bigger risk. Watch the motorbike that's approaching from behind. Don't try and filter there, you silly motorbike. Come on. Another point about this clip is when there's an obstruction in your lane and the traffic's moving, don't leave it to the very end to get in. That's only for when there's queuing traffic. Here, take your position in lane 2 in good time. That actually then increases view for people coming up behind in lane 1 of the problem up ahead. Always try and watch closely exactly how people are driving around you. Look at this vehicle in front. Its positioning is a little wayward in the lane. Fancy being next to that one on a bend. Don't go there, red focus. Yeah, good shout. Not wrong. We're not even halfway through this month's Drive and Fail, but before we go any further, I'd just like to have a few words about today's video sponsor, NordVPN. A VPN is a virtual private network, and it gives you an encrypted connection between two machines. If you use my link in the description, NordVPN are currently offering a huge discount, and that's if you choose the 2-year deal. You can easily choose where your connection seems to be originating from. This helps you keep your data safe. NordVPN is also the fastest VPN out there. It encrypts all your traffic so your internet service provider can't slow down your streaming speeds. You'll also get peace of mind if you click on my link and sign up for their services because it comes with their 30-day money-back guarantee. I'm really happy with my NordVPN subscription. I know going forward the travelling that I'm going to be doing to produce videos for this channel, I've got that extra peace of mind. It comes highly recommended. Follow it, yeah, and then turn round it. Yeah, yeah. This is me on a lesson with one of my pupils. We're practicing some independent driving with the sat-nav. Again, it's a classic example of someone who's more vulnerable putting themselves at a higher risk.
After 200 yards, go straight on, then bear left.
What an absolute idiotic cyclist.
He's meant to stay on the left, isn't he?
Oh, why overtake? Why overtake now?
Go straight on, then bear left.
And for some balance, here's some good cycling in this clip. Watch the second junction on the right, and this bully emerge, as I call it.
We're asking you, where do you think the worst place to get dumped is?
Again, always be ready to submit for idiots like this. Is the silver one to the right a problem from here? Mm-hmm. What should we do? Here's another attempted bully emerge with a learner. And it's the lorry that's coming from behind that you really need to watch out from, not the one in front. And you needed to be onto it. Okay. So look at the red one coming around the other side. Creep now. You're moving and you're going. See where I'm coming from? Gee whiz, lorry. Okay. Does that make sense? Ambulance. How close is it? Stupid.
We have like that little area where the unmarked crossroads are.
Yeah.
Someone else that turning onto. Yeah. Okay.
Go on then, mate. After you. If you're in that much of a rush. Okay. Aim at your road and just go really slow, because we're looking for a space now. Keep rolling and stop about there, so we're up to the edge of the road. Now you've got to keep an eye on these lights, they are changing. Are they all stopping? Creep? No. And it's a taxi driver. No shock. Being now to be able to discuss it, no chance.
No, but I mean,
Come on, buddy.
after the van maybe pull in, but I don't think to be.
I can't fit through there, buddy. Come
I
on.
think it's a bit tall, isn't it?
No, come on. Alright, so it might be the case now that you can discuss a little bit about what happened there.
Yeah. Okay.
So
Yeah, just when there's no traffic around and stuff. Yeah. What's with people's name?
the kids about? It's 3:15. There's kids on the pavement as well.
Saving that one.
Do you reckon?
Yeah.
Go on then, press the button, mate.
I'll be looking out for that one.
That's ridiculous. Stupid. Absolutely
How's
ridiculous.
someone in that much of a rush?
Don't forget your huge discount that NordVPN are currently offering if you click on my link in the description. Always diffuse. This guy as well. I'm spotting them a mile off. Is your city plagued by these kids on electric bikes like Liverpool is? Even though they're up to no good, they're still someone's son. Look after them if you can. Why people braking? What does that tell us? The issues, problems. What's going on? That car just right signalled and gone left. Did you see that then?
Yeah.
Wow. Enough said. What we will do then, I think we're going to head towards. What area would you like to use today for your work? What do you think?
I don't know really, just go sit with it. So left turns, what our plan is, yeah. So, what our plan is, like, where your button was on this one, yeah.
Sounds. So go on.
Everything is easier with manomano.co.uk. DIY home and garden. manomano.co.uk. You've got this.
Promotion available from the 8th to the 20th of March. Visit manomano.co.uk for details.
2 floors, over 500 square metres of ideas, designs and styles. Why go anywhere else?
Hate littering. Absolute zero class.
Not just for myself, but for all these people here today. There's young people that were something
more?
families told them they were the future, and then they go and do this.
Some vascular patients in North Wales are being sent to England for treatment. It follows 2 cases of concern.
What a scumbag. And again.
A report last month criticised the health board over patient safety within its
Go on, buddy.
services. And
You're alright, mate.
25 homes in Chester are going to be made more energy efficient to help with.
Should we go and have a look at some flat-sided ones?
Yeah.
So we'll take the Prescott turn off,
Yeah.
and then we'll go and have a little look at the flat-sided one up in Prescott.
Okay.
Alright? You go left, mate. Fella wanted to wait for the roadworks, did he?
No.
No surprise.